Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Pasta? Oh yeah, I love pasta. The reason why it's a favorite of mine is because it's so versatile. You can add the protein you want, make the sauce with tomatoes or cream, have it gratiné, or simply sprinkle on some cheese, and so on. This featured recipe is packed with flavor. It's another great one to make. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my ricotta, spinach, and sausage pasta. In my book, this is an amazing comfort food recipe to have in your folder. It's simple, tasty, and easy to make. With great ingredients, this pasta dish is sure to please your palate. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll add our frozen spinach that has been thawed out and excess liquid squeezed out, some ricotta cheese, 1 large egg, followed by Italian seasoning, and to get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and half a cup of grana padano cheese. We'll stir the ingredients until nicely combined and set aside for now. Alright, let's cook. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add hot Italian sausage. By the way, I have a great homemade recipe, so to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. With the tip of a wooden spoon, we'll break it into small pieces. I prefer using this kitchen tool. It works like a charm. And cook halfway before adding the onions. We'll quickly saute the ingredients for only 1 minute, and then add red peppers. Once again, we'll saute everything, but this time for 2 minutes. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and red pepper flakes and cook for only 30 seconds. Keep in mind that the dish goes in the oven for 35 minutes, so don't worry, everything will be cooked. We'll remove the skillet from the heat and dump the ingredients in the bowl with the ricotta mixture, along with our cooked rigatoni. We'll mix very well until the noodles are nicely coated. Next, we'll pour in the marinara sauce. There's a great recipe you can make from scratch, so you know what to do. And of course, we'll stir to blend. Oh my! It smells great and looks fabulous. I'm hungry. Now, what we'll do is to transfer the mixture to a 9x13 baking dish and level it out with the back of our spoon. We'll sprinkle on the remaining cup of grana padano cheese and then cover with foil. We'll transfer the dish to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the foil and cook for an additional 12 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the top is golden brown. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is how to make my ricotta, spinach, and sausage pasta. Delicious and uncomplicated. This dish is perfect for weeknights. Packed with flavor, this is an amazing comfort food to serve your family. And it won't surprise me if it becomes one of your favorites. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!